Hey, welcome all to this particular video, and this video is especially for the bloggers. If you want to start your own blog site, if you really want to start writing content as a freelancer, as a blogger, as a professional, or as a hobby something, you want to write content. You want to write long form content, ad content, any sort of content. If you want to write, you need to really think about it. You need to take a lot of ideas and start working and start writing a blog. Writing a blog at times become a very cumbersome activity also. Why not take the help of artificial intelligence to help you sail through this particular challenge? So if you are somebody who is into blogging industry, somebody who is freelancing, somebody who is writing articles, somebody who's writing ads, or whatever it is, you want your blogs to rank, you want SEO optimized articles, and you want plagiarism free articles, and you want to experiment any niche about it, I'm going to talk about an excellent tool called Longshot. Now, Longshot is a tool which I've been using for quite some time now, and today is the time I want to review this tool with you. I want to showcase the power of this tool with you, that how easily it is helping me in my business, because I got 4 different niches. I got 4 different blog sites which I manage, which I write blogs on. One is my primary site, which is rajachari.com. I got one for pet niche. I got one for leadership and motivation niche. I got one for my competitive exams niche. So I need to really churn out a lot of content. For that, either I sit down, jot down ideas. So what I've done is I've taken the help of this particular AI tool. I've taken the subscription, I've taken the lifetime plan. I'll tell you the pricing also later at the end. They have also free plan in case you just want to write one blog a day. There's a free plan which is also available. So if you're a blogger who wants to just write one article a day, you have a free plan for to use. So just learn and understand about this tool. And at the end of it, I'll talk about the pricing module, how you can get the lifetime deal, how you can start for free, and all those options. So let's understand the power of AI, writing with the power of AI. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open the interface. I want to open my user interface now. I want to showcase to you how exactly within rather less than 3 minutes of time, I'll be able to write a complete blog. I'm talking about a complete blog. So how to do it? Let me start sharing my screen, and here we go. So here we are. Here we are on our main screen of Longshot. Now you will see a lot of things on the left. I'll just explain one by one how it happens. Text extender is a particular area where you can put your text, and with the help of AI, you can extend the text. In case you have something written, you want to write a long form of it, you can just use the help of text extender. Open, enter your text, and AI will do it. You want to rephrase your content, put the text here, let AI do that. You want to just generate headlines. You're doing some kind of working as a freelancer, or you have your content ready, you just want to optimize SEO optimized headline, you can use here. Headline intro, blog ideas. I'll share how this works for you. Like I was doing a research few minutes back. I put these keywords: Ayurveda, thyroid, Ayurvedic medicine, detox, immunity, heart diseases, and these are my outputs. What are the Ayurvedic food that help with stress? Benefits of daily practice of yoga. Top 3 Ayurvedic herbs for immunity. What is your thyroid and why it is important? What are some heart diseases and how to prevent them? What are the 5 signs your body is detoxing? What are the benefits of practicing deep breathing? So these are auto-generated by AI. I'm not generated them. It's auto-generated. You indicate the AI that what kind of topic you want to really write a blog. You want a SEO optimized headline. You're going to get it. Blog ideas. So I have got those blog ideas. I've saved it. You can just see. I click this. I'll unsave, and if I click this, I'll save it. So it's in my saved file right now. So I know these are the topics I want to write in the near future. Blog insights, you can create FAQs, you can create product copies, you can get marketing copies for your sales letters and everything. Now I want to show you the real power of this tool, which is writing a complete blog. So as a freelancer, you can write ad copies, you can write product reviews, you can generate SEO optimized headlines, intros, and many things. But the best, the more the most effective power of this particular tool happens with using it as a long form for your blog generation. So let me just put it on full screen and show you the power of this particular tool. So now I've just activated the full screen mode. So you can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 simple steps, less than 3 minutes. I'll be able to churn out a complete blog. So what I'll do is I want to go with the research tab first. I want to research about a particular topic. Say if I want to write about affiliate marketing, and I will just go for search and see what's happening. Now AI is searching related keywords to this particular main keyword. So what do you get exactly? Let me just show you. You see the search volume, 5,50,000 is the search volume. So you know this is something which is amazing. There's something which a lot of people are searching for, and writing an article on this topic is always going to help. So all you need is to find the related keywords to help the system churn out a blog for you. So let's understand. Okay, now you see multiple income streams. Very well, it gets related. You can load more. Affiliate marketing definition. This is Amazon Associate Central, truth about affiliate. So you can go and pick up commission for marketing. So we can commission by promoting affiliate marketing programs, promoting the products. So you need to pick up. You need to pick up because AI needs to understand what more things you want. Now it's going to give you certain subtitles also. In case you want to use promoting your affiliate offer, best online course about affiliate traffic sources, examples of affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing, you can just pick up. Let the AI know what all things to include it in your blog. How to start, types, what is affiliate marketing, involved affiliate marketing, does affiliate marketing work? Okay, now it's also giving you certain questions from Quora, from Google, and from Reddit. So you know what kind of things people are asking. On Reddit, people are asking who wants more affiliate marketing stuff, things to know when you wish to know when you first started affiliate marketing. You go to Google, how do I become an affiliate marketer? What exactly is affiliate marketing? So just pick up whatever is relevant to your article. Just pick up because there's something which is coming as a part of the research because this is an important step. With this step, the next step will follow. What is affiliate marketing? How to get started? Examples? Can you really make money? So whatever you think is relevant for generating your content, just pick up this and it's going to come up here. Okay, so let me come back and switch on my camera. Yeah, so the very first step was to research. You put a keyword, you added the relevant topics, you had the relevant questions. Now is the second step to it. So let's go to the second step because all it takes, once you start using this tool, all it takes 3 minutes to generate a super effective SEO optimized blog. Let's go on. The second step now would be to choose a headline style. It could be a call to action, it could be descriptive, it could be listicle. Let's pick up descriptive and we are going to its headline. Now it is charging some credits. Credits is a part of the plan. So I'll be spending 1.5 credits to generate a headline related to this. So similarly, when you will be opting either a free plan or paid plan, of course, for every these kind of tasks, AI system is going to take some credits out of your account. So now I got a super effective headline. 3 ways to generate extra income by using affiliate marketing. Basics, what is it? How can you do it? What is affiliate marketing? FAQ, discover the secret of becoming successful in affiliate marketing. I like this particular headline. So I want to pick up with this. So now we have the headline ready. And now is the time to generate outline of the blog. So how to generate the outline of the blog? Let's understand. Press the outline. Press this one. Now it's going to check with you how many subtitles you're looking at. Some of the popular subtitles related to this topic is given: best beauty and cosmetic affiliate program, promoting an affiliate offer, best online course, examples, and either you can pick up from this or you can put it 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can go on. Let's keep it at 3 only right now for the demo purposes. Create a blog outline. You will have to spend 2 credits to it. I'm going to generate. You press outline and you are here. So these are the 3 outlines which the AI has generated. You can add your own. You can pick up from anyone from here. And now is the time to generate your content. So let me go back and switch on my camera. So far what we have done, we have a headline ready. We have the outline ready. Now see the power. Now the AI system is going to write the whole content for you, and you are always add, edit. You can do a lot of modification changes as you need. The best part is this is an AI generated content, plagiarism free, You have fact check, which is also available. I'll show you that in the next step. And it's going to save a lot of time for everybody, especially me into affiliate marketing and e-commerce. I need to churn out a lot of content, and definitely when I'm doing an affiliate marketing, I'm doing into different multiple niches. So I need to generate a lot of content into different niches. So how to go about it? So the best part is, let this AI system drive the content for me. So the last step now is to generate the blog. Let's come to that step. Generate an improved blog. You click on this, and here you're going to get a super optimized SEO written blog. Okay. So what do you get now? Discover the secret of becoming successful in affiliate marketing. You got an intro of the blog. It's available here. Now there are 3 subtitles. Now you want to write a content for them as well. So simple. Go to the secret of becoming successful in affiliate marketing, right? Go to generate intro. So let's write secrets to becoming successful affiliate marketer. You can just guide the AI what exactly needs to be written in this. Other, even if you leave it blank, it's going to pick up this particular thing and going to make it. Let's generate, and it has started generating the content. It's working. Boom, it's here. Can you see the magic? It's happening. It's happening. I'm sitting here and it's happening. It's happening on its own. Yo, you have the content ready. Now let me show you more power. Now let me show you what else you can do even apart from that. You have here, now you say, okay, I want to write more. I want some more content to come here. Place your cursor here, click write more. It's going to generate more text for you related to the same topic. So boom, it's happening. So you can see the power. It's writing for you. It's writing for you. So what exactly has happened so far is that you can always write the content. You can always expand the content. Now I have another feature here, which is called Unstuck Me. Unstuck Me means if you just click, say you want to generate more content. Fine. So what you do is you pick up any 3 keywords here. Let's take third-party publishers, compensate third party, and income stream. And I'll press generate. It's going to generate more content related to these 3 keywords. Boom. Now you have got more content. So as I pressed unstuck me, you can see the content is getting written. You can press write more. You want to unstuck me, you can use this feature. And once you're done with your blog, suppose let's take this, select everything, let's select the complete blog. And now I want to generate something very important, which is called my synopsis of the blog. I'll just hit synopsis. As I hit synopsis is ready for me. In this way, you're going to write powerful SEO optimized blog. Let me stop sharing my screen now. So you're going to write SEO optimized blog using this amazing tool called Longshot. So now the next step is, what are the purchase options? What are the different options with which you can purchase this particular tool? So now I'm going to talk about the pricing structure of this particular tool. So let me start sharing my screen for you. Let's start sharing my screen, and here we are. So if you go to the Longshot website, I put the link below. You got 3 options here: monthly, quarterly, annually. So let's pick up the annual one. So first is the starter plan. As I said to you, if you want to write just 1 blog a day, you really don't need to take a paid subscription. The $0 a month program, $0 a month plan is going to help you with this. You will get 3 days of free access with 100 credits. Too good. 10 free credit per day afterwards, so 110 on the 4th day. Unlimited access to topic research, long form content generation. So everything you're going to spend credits on every activity you do. So for example, if you just want to generate, your headlines and your outlines and everything, this particular 10 credits a day will suffice. Of course, to generate a long form content where you need to unstuck and write more, you need more credits. So first 3 days, 100 credits is sufficient enough. I believe 10 to 20 credits is very good enough to write a complete long form content. So if you want to write long form blogs, 2 days, 1 blog you can churn out. If you want to just have title, outline, sub headline, and small content to it, definitely 1 blog you can churn out every single day. Now that's one option. The other thing I want to mention here is, in case you want to go pro will give you 1000 credits per month. All integrations are possible. Directly you can integrate with WordPress. Priority access, 24/7 email support. And this, if you take annually, it's going to charge you 19.90 per month. If you take monthly, it is 29.90. And then there is an enterprise plan. Now, I would always recommend you to go for a paid plan. You don't have any restrictions. You can generate, because if I want to write something good content I want to churn out, I really don't need to restrict myself with less credits or anything like that. So I have another deal for you. Why don't you buy a lifetime program? Lifetime program is not available on the Longshot website. It's another site called Delify. So let me just open that website also for you to share and make you understand what best benefit you can take it right now. Right now, 87% it's sold. You can simply buy this particular amazing blogging tool at a value of $99, one time purchase, no extra payment anytime is required. This is a lifetime deal available for a very short period of time, and you're going to get every single thing. As you know, you'll get I'll show you the features now. Let me open the plans here. If I open the plan, what exactly you're going to get in the $99 plan, this particular plan, you are going to get lifetime access to Longshot AI Pro plan. So you're going to get Pro access, which is 19.90 on an annual plan, 29.90 on a monthly plan. So you're going to get. Secondly, you'll be able to generate high quality long form content, 1000 copy generation credits per month. 1000 credits is equal to 50k words per month. Now you can just correlate. Fact checking is there. Copy generation credits will renew every single month. Unlimited topic research, unlimited projects. You can generate all these generations. You can do fully SEO optimized articles, content extender, rephraser, insight synopsis. I basically have picked up the $99 plan. So I've got every single thing what you have seen on my screen, you're going to get. And in case you use this tool and you don't like this tool, you still have a 30-day money back guarantee. So you have nothing to lose. You buy it at one price, because this is a very short-term deal which is available. 87% is already sold. You can see this. It's already sold. It's an amazing tool. It's already sold. So this is the time you should consider. If blogging is a serious business for you, this is the AI tool. $99, all it takes to build a super profitable blogging business. $99, all it takes to help you generate your affiliate income, AdSense revenue, product sales, product review websites, niche-based websites. The possibilities are unlimited. So all in all, this is what I want to share with you in this particular video today. I hope you like this video, and in case you're interested to go for a free lifetime plan or a one-time purchase plan or a monthly plan, all the links you will find below this particular video. In case you have any questions related to how to use this particular tool, please feel free to share your comments below, and I'll get back to you with whatever question you have related to this particular tool or in general. So thank you very much. I hope you got a value from this particular video. Share it, like it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. God bless.